Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we will be unboxing our BoxyLuxe for the month of December, and this is the last box of the year. We're not going to talk about anything else other than that. I realized my last video went way too long with my feelings about BoxyCharm for the year 2021. If you'd like to see that, I will link it above. Okay. One thing I want to remind you of is to make sure that you enter our last giveaway of 2021. In addition to it being the last one, it is the largest one. So check that video out. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you have your notifications bell rung, and make sure you enter. Okay, PSA is over with. Let's just jump right into our BoxyLuxe. All right, now the theme for this month, oh, that's interesting, is Winter Luxe. Okay, and our description card gives us the information with regards to all of the items that are enclosed. The prices have changed on everything, so I don't know them off the top of my head, but I will list them down below. Okay, so all that stuff out of the way, or as they say, all the housekeeping stuff out of the way. Now let's check out the items. Well, the very first item in our box, okay, I'm just gonna pull them out and then we'll go from there. So it's by Kat Berkey. All right, and that's this item right here. And this is the Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. And according to our description card, it says it's a cult favorite. Okay. Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream is developed to meet the needs of a lackluster complexion and to protect the skin from environmental toxins. Okay. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this for this product is $116, and this is a brand new item to BoxyCharm. This is a 1.7 fluid ounce size, and it says it's powered by nutritional science. Okay, and so this is the outer packaging, right? This jar right here, is what came in this big old box. In this big old box. Okay, that's not what we're here for. All right, and it says this has a 12-month shelf life. It says moisturize for AM and PM. Apply a dime-size amount to face and neck. Follow with the Power Trio Radiance Oil for the final step. Okay, that's not something that's enclosed in here, so we're not even gonna go with that part. Okay, and I'm trying to see if this is indeed a clean item. There are no details really. Okay, well, it does tell us that Kat Berkey utilizes applied nutritional sciences to deliver potent formulations for the skin through technology and cutting-edge nutritional research. Intelligent ingredient combining produces super nutrient complexes which are cold pressed to create advanced anti-aging therapies. Okay, so that is item number 1. Not ready to open this one just yet. 12-month shelf life. All right, so then the next item that we have is the Davines Oil All-in-One Milk. And that's this product right here. It says this oil all-in-one milk is a multifunctional leave-in spray treatment that softens, detangles, controls frizz, and protects the hair from heat. Okay. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this product is $36. Now, I'm usually really not looking forward, and as a matter of fact, on my quiz, I did put no hair care products. Can you guess why? But that's not what this is about. So this one says the multi-benefit beauty treatment, and it's for all hair types, and it's 135 milliliters or 4.56 fluid ounces. It has a 12-month shelf life. I've had this before. I'm trying to remember. Oh, I know where I got it. We can talk about it because that's their sister company now. But I did receive a sample of this many years ago in my Ipsy glam bag. Okay, it wasn't a plus or anything like that. So I only received the sample size, but this was amazing. Okay, and usually I'm really not into this, you know, hair care products outside of my favorite box, but right now I'm willing to do this because it's a heat protectant. So because it is a heat protectant, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. All right, and the price isn't really that bad. The next item that I have is by Aceology, and that's this one right here. Never heard of this before either. This one is a detoxifying treatment mask, and it says the Aceology Detoxifying Treatment Mask is a supercharged health retreat for congested skin, working to draw out blackheads and impurities and clear clogged pores with skin-loving charcoal. The charcoal antibacterial and purification powers are unrivaled with any other detoxifying ingredient when it comes to extracting sebum and dirt, and the antioxidant-laden botanicals balance and protect the skin for a poreless and flawless texture. The manufacturer's suggested retail price is $69. Okay, I'm very, very interested in this. Ever since I tried that one product, I cannot get rid of this. Well, it seems that I'm having a challenge getting rid of whatever this is that caused my skin to break out right here. And the only reason y'all haven't seen that video is because I'm fighting with that company. They don't want me to tell you anything about them, but I'm working on it. So I am going to open this because I need to try to do something to counteract this. And it says, we're ready to be your skin's new best friend. You'll love our skincare because it's fun to use, will make you feel fancy fresh, and has been backed by the sciencey stuff. The sciencey stuff, okay, to answer all your skincare needs. Leave us in charge of the instant results and long-term benefits while you continue being your fabulous self. Okay, so I'm very interested to try this. And This is a cruelty-free and vegan product. It has a 12-month shelf life, and it's a Korean-made product. Okay, and it is a 2.19 fluid ounce size. All right, so because I'm going to use it, I'm grateful that it does come sealed, but I am going to use it, so I'm opening it right now. Ooh, maybe I shouldn't have opened it because it's oozing out of the top. And we know that it is charcoal. This thing is seriously black, you know. That's what happens with charcoal. Okay, so I am ready to use this. Let's see, the directions say cleanse and tone skin, open tube while holding upright. Squeeze a generous amount on your fingers or onto any brush or applicator. Apply a thin layer evenly to face, avoiding eyes, of course. Relax for 30 minutes and then gently peel off mask from the edges. I love a good peel off mask. Love it. Okay, I'll let you know what the results are. So let me put the top back on this. So I'm not expecting an instant miracle right off the bat. So the video y'all see on tomorrow, my skin may not look absolutely amazing, but trust me, it's coming. Okay, the next item that we have is by Pure. Okay, and this is the fully charged mascara powered by magnetic technology. Okay, it says opposites attract with this age-defying vegan pure fully charged mascara powered by a revolutionary magnetic polymer matrix that wraps a positively charged elastic veil around each lash to instantly lift, separate, and define for unparalleled performance. Fortified with a specified blend of ingredients such as nourishing vitamin B, this mascara helps condition and strengthen eyelashes to help prevent premature lash loss. Okay, this is quite interesting. All right, quite interesting. All right, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $22. All right, now, we already know that this is a vegan product because it says so right off the bat. This one has a 6-month shelf life, so I'm not opening it until I am absolutely ready to use it. But I think it may be coming up real soon. All right, so I will at least show you what the inside packaging looks like, though. I will do that. It's the least I can do. Okay, this is what the inside packaging looks like. Okay, all right, so moving right along, that's item number 4. Then we have, okay, I know what this is. This was my choice item, and this is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Dip Brow, okay? And it says Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade and 7B Dual-Ended Angle Brush Set. Okay, here we go. And it says this Dip Brow Pomade is a full pigment waterproof pomade that can be used to fill in and detail brows. The long-lasting buildable formula glides on, dries down completely, and stays put, giving you effortless, natural-looking, textured brows. The brush, 7B of course, is a tapered angled brush with synthetic fibers and is ideal for applying powder and emollient-based products to the brow. Use the brush to create precision hair-like strokes or sweep color through the brow. Use the custom spoolie end to blend product through for a soft, natural-looking finish, okay? This is a Boxy exclusive, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $39, okay? Now, I love a good brow brush, okay? This is a nice spoolie on the end, okay? You see that all right? And it has a very nice angle on the brush, okay? Now, I will tell you, I do have a way to make sure that my brush is stay trim after, okay? I'll share that with you in another video, okay? But I definitely love that, okay? And then let me show you what the pomade looks like, although we are very familiar with it. The shade that I chose is soft brown, okay? And this is interesting. It's quite a bit of product in here. I don't know if I go through a full jar in 6 months, but it's here, okay? So that is the next item. Then, moving right along, we have a product from Pharmacy, and this is the Honeymoon Glow Body 12 AHA BHA Resurfacing Body Serum. How about that? It says a body hydrating and resurfacing serum that instantly softens rough skin and eliminates bumps with AHAs and BHAs, leaving skin remarkably smooth with a lit from within glow. The manufacturer suggested retail price is $40, and this is a 4.7 fluid ounce size. Now, I love me a good body cream. This is the first time I've ever tried or even really heard of a body serum. So I think for a little while it will park itself right here, okay, so that we can start using that. All right, then the next item that I have is by Persona Cosmetics. I love their minimalistic packaging, okay? And this is the 24-hour waterproof eyeliner, all right? It says intensify your eyes with this creamy 24-hour waterproof eyeliner that glides on smooth for all day to all night wear, featuring a smooth blendable formula. This 24-hour waterproof eyeliner is ideal for both the lash line and the water. That's very interesting. And the waterline, okay? The manufacturer suggested retail price, it's $14, okay? Now, the shade that I received is black. It says it has a 12-month shelf life, and it is cruelty-free. Well, you know, oh, yes. Here we go. All right. Very nice, very nice. Okay, I'm very interested to try this one. So, yes, it's already open, so I guess that means I'll be using it, huh? Okay, and then, okay, smile on my face, you see it? It's because my favorite brushes are in this box. OMG. Oh, didn't know that, but nonetheless, okay, here we go. This is the Laruce Beauty Christine set. The Christine set includes a dual fiber cheek brush, a small angle cheek brush, a small concealer brush, a small flat shader brush, a medium domed blending brush, and a graphite petite Rennie cup. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $50. This is the first time I've ever seen a price this low on Laruce's brushes. So this is really nice. I like it. I like it a lot, okay? My Laruce brushes are sitting right back here behind me, okay? And y'all know how I feel about them. Now, here's the thing. I can now use my brushes because I have a backup, okay? So what I will do though is put them in here so that I will have a spot for both. Now, Oh, I love this. Look at that tube. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Look, this just brought a smile to my face. So, how do I feel about this month's LUXE box? Well, I will tell you this. I do like the products. Of course, you know that, okay? I am very, very excited to try this. I really am, because I have been using a charcoal mask. I'm not going to out that company, but okay, I'm very, very excited to try this. I'm so over this right here, so over it. And for me to have to fight with this company, okay, they already had to give me my money back, and their claims were not true. And I really want to show this to y'all. You know, we talked about this before on the channel, but I'm still fighting with this company because you deserve to know it was not a cheap product. And with it not being a cheap product, if it did this to my face, now granted, my skin is very sensitive, but that doesn't make it okay. So nonetheless, I'm going to really try to find a way to get this video out to you before this year is over. I have filed an official complaint. Just not happy with that at all. And I don't want anybody else to go through what I went through. Okay, so other than that, you know, this is my favorite brush line. Absolutely. I have my dip brow. I'm excited. I'm excited about this. Okay, so these are the items that are included in our December BoxyLuxe. Down below is the manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was included. Okay, now I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we did unbox this. Still smiling, okay? But remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. But until next time,